What's up, buds? I hope you are getting stoked about Sloss Drone Derby because we have got mad props coming in. This is HQ props. Look at all these t-shirts. I see XL, 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 large, double XL, XL, large, lots and lots and lots of t-shirts, lots of sizes, a couple of banners. That's awesome. Ooh, what do we got here? Good quality, thin battery straps. I love them. Lots of bright colors, make it easy to find your quad. And then what do we got? We got props and props and props. Dude, there's so many props here. These are R36. That's gonna be a 5.1 by 3.6. Nice racing props. We got more 3.6s. Brightly colored, more 3.6s. Then we got the juicy 33s. This is a 5.1 by 3.3. Really, really nice. Looks like a whole bunch of propellers. You know what that means? If you come to Sloss Furnaces, you're going home with a shit ton of props. Look at all this. Look, look, look. These are more J33s. Awesome. I love the green color. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. What else have we got here? Ooh. Where's the labels? These are J37s. That's a 5.1 by 3.7, even more aggressive pitch if you like those pitchy boys. What's next? What's next? Man, there's so many goodies in here. I'm super stoked. J37s. Ooh, these are the Ethics pickle props. These are one of my favorites right now. This is a super low pitchy boy. These are 5.1 by, shit, I can't remember off the top of my head. I want to say 2.9. They're really, really low pitch. This is a new thing for proximity flying. I really, really like low pitch props. I'm so in love with this. And they got the mix of the green and the yellow. Man, these are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Look at this pile of propellers. Hundreds of props from HQ. Thank you so much, HQ, for supporting us. These are all going to Sloss Drone Derby, and we're going to be giving them away. I can't wait to show you how, because it's going to be insane. Z-Bones is working on something. He's not sure if it's safe or not, but it's going to be a real interesting way to give away some props. I can't wait. I'll see you all at Sloss Drone Derby. Go right there now and get your tickets. It's like 2 weeks away. Do not delay. If you want a freestyle, just come out and rip. All day Saturday, the flight line is open. On Sunday, it's open in the morning. And then in the afternoon, we're doing the bigger, nastier freestyle contest. That means you got to go sign up now if you want to compete. It's slossdronederby.org/freestyle. You want to race? It's slossdronederby.org/race. That'll take you right to the multi-GP site. There are 3 multi-GP races this year. Open class is going to be all kinds of quads under 800 grams. And then we've got Pro Spec class is 7-inch racing. And we've got whoop racing, whoop house. The whoops have really expanded this year. We've got the whole whoop shed for freestyle is going to be over inflated this year. And then the main freestyle flight line is going to turn into a race course at night for the tiny whoops. It's going to be ridiculous fun. Can't wait to see you all there. There's more vendors than I've ever seen at an FPV event. More sponsors. It's going to be ridiculous. Come on out. Have some fun with us. slossdronederby.org. Get your tickets if you haven't already. We need volunteers too. Sign up. Volunteer tickets are only $1. Camping for the whole weekend is $40 for 3 nights. Come out and join us. Sloss Drone Derby. I'll see you there.